greatest musical instrument that there is actually alive. They are born and they live and they die.
My name is Lucia Lucas. I've been singing opera my entire adult life.
When you're on stage, you're inhabiting cisgendered male roles. And when you're off stage, you're a trans woman. How have you navigated that?
I always have to remember why I'm here. And I'm here to do this show. And here, on this stage.
No trans singers ever performed Don Giovanni anywhere in the world.
We're not doing anything traditional here.
If people don't come, if there's silent backlash, maybe I'll even have to resign.
Opera has been dying for 400 years, basically, almost since it was born.
What is the biggest problem with opera right now? Having less and less audience. How do you fix that? You get new audience. I know for sure that there are LGBT people who are going to come to the opera, who have never come to an opera. Okay.
I'm gonna go to see you.
You should. It's my show. It's called Don Giovanni.
Yeah.
If there wasn't the story of how I came out, then of course there would be less press.
Some people buy things for the package. That's marketing.
I hope I've not presented this as any kind of a freak show.
The bigger my star gets, the more pressure it is to deliver all the time. If we sold out, do you think that maybe it could be because you took a risk?
Well, I'll certainly take full credit for it, yes.
Trans is such a small part of my identity. I am trying to do art that I think is interesting no matter who you are. I want them to feel.